This is how you can make an environment map. So first you're going to want to open up your texture in paint.net. Then you're going to want to go over to Adjustments and Black and White. You can export this as is, or you can paint over it to change it however you'd like. The darker something is, the less reflection it'll have. If it's completely dark, it won't have any reflection at all. And vice versa also goes. The brighter something is, the more it'll reflect. Then go to File, Save As, and then type _M. Make sure that DDS is selected. I already have this, so I'm going to go ahead and press Cancel. This Arcane University page will show you where to put each of these different maps. This will be in the description.